Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for culinary experiences and cooking classes business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search, and as we know Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your website type or your business type, culinary. For example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. You can skip from here. So now wait a few seconds preparing the dashboard. So enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you wanna add your business address. So let's continue. Set your default working hours. And here if you wanna add some services. Add your stuff here. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. And let's continue. Now continue to dashboard. So design your site here. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design templates. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Here enter your information, your business name, your email and your address and your phone. Here if you want to add social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now add page to your site. Now wait a few seconds to preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your website, click go to the editor. So this is your homepage website. So if you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here you have is the text element. Here you find the theme text. You can select any form you have on the text. Here you can add the heading 1 or the heading 2 or anyone you like. Now let's move on to the titles. Here you find the big titles or the any form of the titles you want, and also the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. Here you can upload and import image if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. And here if you wanna if you wanna edit the themed buttons, if you wanna add some text and icon buttons or image buttons or document buttons and items button. Here you find the payments button. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page. And let's move on to the strip. Here you find the classic featured about services, contact and welcome and testimonials and team. So you can select any one of these and you can add this on your home page at any place you want as you like. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes and rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Here you find the vector art featured, icons, animals in nature, logos and badges and characters. Also here we find the video elements, video box and video mask and transparent video. Here you find the boxes section. You find the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries element here. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here you find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Also here you find the in-page navigation if you want to add some anchor, and the in-page menu, and here you find the search, the site search, the last. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here if you wanna, here you have all the contact forms, all the forms you have to add on your home page. You have here the contact forms, the order form, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. And here you find the Google Maps if you wanna add the normal maps or full width maps. Here you find the chat, the Wix chat, and the line. If you want to share, the line button share. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here you find the video elements. If you want to add single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Also here you find the audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So you can select any one of the from the music section or from the video section. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here you find the slideshows, the photo width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here you find the light boxes, and here you find the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Also here you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters and the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here if you wanna custom popular embeds, if you wanna add single video players, and here if you wanna edit the audio elements. Here if you wanna edit the advanced elements, marketing zones, and the below dev mode, and here if you wanna edit the animation elements. Here the social bar, so you can select any social bar from these. You can add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest or VK or line link or YouTube link. So let's move on to the payments. Here you can add some payments buttons or payment forms or pricing plans or the store. You can use this CMS if you want to easily manage your site's content, and you can share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here if you want to edit your store section, the bookings elements. Also here you can add any booking elements you want, related elements or placing plans. And here if you want to create and manage events, the community. Here if you want to manage your community section, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, you can click here, select any section you want from these uh, from these lists. Now let's move on to the page and menus section. You can add page if you want. So this is the site menu. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Also here you can add apps, you can manage your business, you can upload your media, and here if you wanna easily manage your site content, if you wanna manage your Google ads and Facebook ads and SEO and social media marketing and marketing integrations. So that's it for today. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.